Hi everyone, it's Vicente Marco, a student of the Tangible Interaction course at UOC, and I'm going to present to you the prototype of my Arduino project called Multipurpose Locker. As you can see, it's a 3.5-inch floppy disk box in which I have installed an Arduino Uno board and a prototyping board with a piezo to play sounds. To open and close the lock, I installed a servo motor, and here, to the right of the box, we have two capacity sensors for interaction. On the top, we have another prototyping board that contains the buttons and LEDs for the game mode. The ESP32 board with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and a liquid crystal display. When we switch on the prototype, we see that the lock has been locked and the display shows mode 0 for sound selection on off, and pressing the key sensor alternates the sound on and off. On and off. Here we have the mode selection potentiometer, which if we turn it slightly to the right, we change to mode 1, as indicated by the display. This allows us to open the lock by pressing the K button. Pressing again, close it. If we select mode 2, we enter the proximity sensor mode. The display indicates the distance at which we are. If we approach within 20 centimeters, the lock automatically unlocks. And if we stay more than 40 centimeters away, the yellow light flashes, and after a few seconds the lock is locked. Next, we select the game mode, Simon Open. At the beginning, it generates a random sequence that must be reproduced correctly to unlock the lock. If you fail the sequence, a new one is generated, and we start again. If we don't remember the offered sequence, we can press the interaction button to repeat the correct sequence. When we guess the sequence correctly, the lock opens and we can release Bangkok. Okay, we close it again and select mode 4 to unlock the lock remotely from any web browser. In my case, the ESP32 has connected via a DHCP to the address 192.168.1.19, where we see the web page created for interaction. If we click open, the lock opens. Now Van Gogh is free. We close it by pressing close. We open it again, we close it again. To exit mode, we must click exit to close the Wi-Fi connection and enable the other modes. Now we move on to mode 5, which I have left available to connect any other type of sensor that activates the lock or lock function, such as video camera, a fingerprint or card reader, and automatic opening motor. You can leave your proposal in the comments and I will try to implement for the future updates. Thank you very much. See you later.